Hey there, beautiful people, and welcome back to Beautyistic. I've got something super exciting today that's been on my radar for a while, the theBalm Bonnie-Lou Manizer Highlighter and Shadow. Now, you know I'm all about products that do double duty, and this one? It's all about versatility and serious pigmentation. This little gem is a full coverage, highly pigmented formula that promises to add a beautiful, gilded glow to your complexion. But that's not all. It also works as a shadow. So, whether you're looking to amp up your highlighter game or create a stunning eye look, this product's got you covered. Let's dive right into how it performs and whether it's worth the hype. First off, let's talk about the texture and application. The formula comes in a tube, which is super convenient for both applying to your face and mixing on the go. The texture is creamy, yet lightweight, so it blends effortlessly into the skin without feeling greasy or heavy. It doesn't settle into fine lines either, which is a big win, especially if you have mature skin or texture to consider. As for the color, cranberry, it's a rich, warm, and slightly pinkish golden hue that would suit a wide range of skin tones. Whether you're on the fairer side or have a deeper complexion, this highlighter adapts beautifully. The high pigmentation means a little goes a long way. You can either build it up for that full glam, I'm a glowing goddess look, or you can keep it subtle for a soft, lit from within glow. I tried this out in a few real-life situations to see how it held up. For one, I applied it as a highlighter on the high points of my face, cheekbones, brow bones, and the bridge of my nose, and let me tell you, it lasted all day. No fading, no streaking, just smooth, golden goodness. I also used it as an eyeshadow, and I was seriously impressed. It stayed in place, didn't crease, and gave my eyelids that beautiful luminous pop. Now, let's weigh the pros and cons. On the plus side, the theBalm Bonnie-Lou Manizer is incredibly versatile. It's a highlighter, an eyeshadow, and with the right application, even a blush topper. The pigment is stunning, and it blends so easily, which makes it a joy to use. The tube packaging is travel-friendly, which is great if you're someone who likes to take your beauty essentials on the go. However, there's a small downside. The tube can be a little tricky to control if you're not careful. Sometimes a bit more product comes out than you need, so you have to be cautious when squeezing it. It's a minor thing, but worth mentioning. When it comes to value for money, this highlighter is on the pricier side compared to some drugstore options. But considering the pigmentation and how versatile it is, I think it's worth the investment. If you're someone who loves multitasking products, this one could definitely earn its place in your collection. There are also some great alternatives out there, like the Bonnie-Lou Manizer from the same brand, which has a more champagne gold tone and is equally stunning, or the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector, which gives a similar finish at a slightly higher price point. Now, the build quality is solid. The tube is made of sturdy plastic, and it feels like it's going to last. It doesn't feel flimsy, so I think it'll hold up well in your makeup bag. As for longevity, like I mentioned earlier, it lasted all day without any fading, which speaks to its staying power. I didn't have direct interaction with the brand's customer service, but theBalm has a good reputation for being responsive and helpful with any issues. To wrap up, the theBalm Bonnie-Lou Manizer Highlighter and Shadow is a fantastic product. The pigmentation is on point, it's incredibly versatile, and it performs well throughout the day. While the price might be a bit high for some, I think it offers great value, especially for those who love multi-use beauty products. If you're a fan of bold, gilded highlights, or want a product that pulls double duty, this is definitely worth trying out. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching. If you've tried this product, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. What's your favorite way to use it? And as always, thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.